Once again, this is part 2 of an FOMC meeting. In part 1, we were up at 95 points. The Dow and the NASDAQ are selling off extremely hard right here in the Dow. Now, equities popped, and it was a time to get net short across the board. And there is that sell program right here in the Dow, and that's live. The time, 11:10 a.m. Pacific. The date, 1/28/2014. All of the short positions, just short the news. Short the news. It's right here. Let's take a look at that S&P 500. Buying the put contracts have paid. Everybody needs to take a look at how that knee jerk was equity sold off, how the put options are buying on the news right there. We can clearly see right here that will sell the news on the FOMC meeting. The 30-year, the 10-year, those things are all over the map. Equities across the board are selling down based on that super hype. Get that short that we did. Short that news. Say, hey, I love shorting that news, Mario. I think it works real well. Not only does it work real well, that's the knee-jerk reaction on this FOMC meeting. Dow is only up 8 points. S&P went negative. You heard me. Look at the S&P in this 15-minute. Sell the news. Equities. Sell the news, and sell it. Sell it down. Sell the FOMC. Once again, it's all about how do I trade that FOMC meeting. And I'm just going to put in a couple of key stocks in here that, like on something like Google, G-O-O-G, it reacted the same way. You can see it. It popped just like the Dow and the S&P, and it sold off. Here, let's go to Priceline, PCLN. There we go. Let's go over here. Let's see it. Oh, my goodness. Don't tell me it's identical. Oh, yes, it is. It ran straight up like that down that S&P on that news. And it did. And that's that Priceline trade. Okay, let's take a look at Amazon. AMZN on the news. Here we go. Bingo. Hit enter. Let's take a look. You can see Amazon got slammed and the Dow is in negative territory. This is part 2. How do I buy put options? How do I buy my put options on that announcement? How do I short that equity on that announcement? How do I get filled on put options? I will tell you right now, once again, it's on the homepage or it's on their website. These are the put options that we bought. We own them from yesterday. Yes, we do. We've been buying them for the last few days. Baidu is down $5.33. You heard what I said. These are the big puts they're paying. Listen, the whole short side of the market on that FOMC meeting, and this is the Amazon trade. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the LinkedIn trade. Let's see how shorts are working there. You can see the same effect. Sell the news. This is why we shorted stocks. This is why we bought index put options across the board. And yes, I can say one thing. And here's what I'm willing to say. These are my put options that I'm buying right now. I'm buying the 2040 again, which is plus 50%. The last print is 23. I'm also buying the put options here at this particular strike price. We were buying some of these in the money. Yes, you pay higher, but it really doesn't matter. And one of the things that we're going to see here is how that 2035 call is going to get taken to the woodshed. And why is it that we know how to trade the S&P put options intraday? Oh, yeah, we do. We have a market maker division. This is not a day trading outfit. Let's get that clear. And if you want to get out of that day trading outfit, that mentality, get here. Learn how to be a market maker. Making big money on the S&P 500 intraday on the FOMC minutes. We are all over the place. The algorithms and high frequency mathematical systems are kicking in both the sell and the long side of this tape. Part 2, today's date, 11:15 a.m. PST time, 1/28 2015. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.